Okay, Cheoc Beach. This is in the southern part of Macau. So we're gonna check it out today. And here's the parking lot when you first come in. If you were to drive, or if you take the bus, you have to walk down the hill. And we're gonna do that on the way back out.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Let's go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so actually this beach is it's more smaller. There's another beach, Haksa Beach, which is quite a bit bigger, maybe 4 or 5 times bigger. But this one has more of a nice quaint feel. The sand is a little bit closer to the parking lot, I guess. And it's just a nice place, basically. And actually today it's on this particular day it's a little close to evening, and it's also, I believe, it's COVID-19 is another issue, and then it's also I think it's a weekday, or maybe I think it's just late, basically. Okay, so there's this big walkway right here, and actually on both sides there's actually rocks as well, so you can climb up the rocks a little bit and get a view. There's one on one side with a big hotel up there. And then you can definitely see one on the other side as well. And there's some stuff that overlooks the water too. And this one right here, I'm going to narrate this one. It's not live this time, but those are some cactus that was up there that was kind of cool. I don't really see that much cactus in Macau, but I guess they have it for this one. And this one is it's like a place to get some food. So I think I actually am going to stop the camera here for a minute, and I'm going to go up and get something. There's a little lifesaver thing right there, and I'll sit in one of those. And there might be one down there too. But yeah, it's a nice little beach, a nice little curve there too. Okay, so this one is a restaurant. So I'm going to get a little bit closer to this restaurant as well, but it overlooks a swimming pool, so it's kind of cool. And this swimming pool is it doesn't cost much money, and you can use it. And this is also kind of a better place to see the beach too. So there's a woman looking for somebody. But let's see, I'm going to get a little bit closer, and I think, can you see the name of that? I think that might have been as close as I got, and then I kind of walk down the street walk down this alleyway a little bit. And you can see there's a little bit more people. I think people are... Then in this particular one, I'm overlooking the ocean. So, and the swimming pool is behind me. So it's actually kind of a cool spot. So there were some teenagers that were hanging out here. I don't know if I have them on film, probably not. But they were like just drinking Coca-Colas and snacks. But it's like kind of a nice little space just to have the ocean, and then you can also climb up in the mountain a little bit, which I'm going to do in a minute. And let me see, I have a little bit of a zoom. So this is like a little bit... people are kind of coming in and going to their cars. Actually, I'm filming this in reverse, by the way, as well. So originally I came in from this way, from the mountains, and from up there. Pretty cool little swimming pool, though. Another nice place. And up here is the view. So actually, when I came into the beach, I came up on these rocks. So and you have this pretty cool little like moon-shaped view of it. And Haksa Beach is on the other side of that mountain, so I'm pointing in that direction for that particular one. Yeah, this is the view of the kind of smaller, more intimate beach of Cheoc. And there's a swimming pool right there, and the restaurant, and a little walkway that's kind of hidden in the trees. So yeah, a really cool little beach. So next one, I'm going to be going up the hill in the next video. Okay, so this is actually at the end. So to get back out of there, you have to climb up the hill. And I basically had to go back to the parking lot again, and then I climbed up. And it's a little bit... I was breathing pretty heavy, basically. I was trying to get past that family as well, so I was kind of trying to speed it up and get up ahead of them. And then there's some other people kind of casually walking by, because it's a main road right there, so a little bit narrow for walking. But that's the main road, so that's where you catch the bus as well. So I'm going to get up there, and then you can see it. You can see how narrow it is, too. So you don't really want to walk on it too far, but there's little bus stops here and there. So I'm going to walk towards the bus stop, and then that's basically Cheoc Beach in the southern part of Macau.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da